In this video, you'll learn how to customize video styles using Higgsfield AI. By following these steps, you will be able to enhance your video presentations with unique effects and personal touches. Begin by navigating to the Higgsfield AI platform. You can do this by entering the URL for the AI video generator and image generator in your web browser. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection, as loading resources may depend on your speed. Once you reach the Higgsfield homepage, look for the option labeled Create Video. This button is typically prominently displayed. Clicking this will take you to the video creation interface, where you can begin the customization process. After accessing the video creation area, find and click on the button that says Change. This option allows you to modify existing video styles or settings. A new menu should appear, providing you with various customization options for your project. Next, locate the section labeled Effects. Clicking on this will present you with a selection of visual effects that you can apply to your video. Take a moment to browse through the available effects, as they can significantly alter the aesthetic of your video. Choose an effect that resonates with your vision for the video. Once you select an effect, it will be highlighted, indicating that it is ready to be applied. It is important to consider how different effects might impact the overall feel of your presentation. Proceed by clicking on the Mix button. This feature allows you to blend the selected effects, creating a more dynamic visual experience. You should see a preview of how the effects combine, which can help you decide if any adjustments are needed. Next, you'll have the option to select a second effect. Click on the appropriate button to choose this additional effect. Similar to the first selection, ensure that the second effect complements the overall style you are aiming for in your video. Following this, click on the Upload Image option. This allows you to incorporate personal images or videos into your project. Be mindful of the file sizes, as larger files may take longer to upload based on your internet speed. Now, choose the video or image you wish to upload from your device. After selecting the file, click on the Open button to initiate the upload process. Depending on your file size and internet connection, this may take a few moments. Once the upload is complete, you will be prompted to type in a prompt that you want to use for your video. This text will guide the AI in generating content that aligns with your specified theme or topic. Next, look for the option labeled Higgsfield Standard and click on it. This setting will apply the default parameters for video generation, ensuring your video adheres to the platform standards. Finally, click on the Generate button to complete the process. This action will initiate the rendering of your customized video based on the effects and prompts you have selected. A loading indicator may appear, signifying that the video is being processed. And there you have it. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.